I'm going to try to lift it. It's a bit heavy. So as you can see, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I got the things I'm going to show you from Aldi, and I actually got it delivered today, so I thought why not make a quick unboxing to show you guys what I got. So if you're interested to know what I got from Aldi, then keep on watching. But before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that notification bell beside it, so in that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So without any delay, we are going to jump right into the video.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite. The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.
So the first thing I got is the Courage booster seats, and yeah, this is for my boy. It looks like this. I'm going to look for the prices so I can tell you guys how much I got them. The child car booster seat. So this booster seat is $7.99. I actually ordered it online. I think it was $9.99 or something, but I got it for $7.99. So and this is the color black. I got it two for $7.99 each, although they wrote it here $9.99. I actually like it. So this is how it looks. I meant to remove this before you use it, so yeah. So moving on, the next thing I got is this double-sided play mat. Okay, I got this one for $3.99, although it's supposed to be retailed for $6.99, but I got it for $3.99. So let me see if I can open it for you guys to see how it looks.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through.
The next thing I got is this watercolor battery, and I'm just going to try it. So it actually looks like this.
Time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll check.
Although it's written $5.99. Yeah. But I got it for $2.99. So the next thing I got is this puzzle kit. It's just for my little ones.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind.
So the next thing I got is this watermelon ball. So I think it's beach watermelon ball. It looks like this, like when you blow it, it goes big like this. So it looks like this, and I got this for $2.99. So the next thing I got is this single brushed cotton duvet set, and this is single. It's just for my girl. Moving on, so the next thing I got is this easy care duvet set, so king size, retail for $11.99, but I'm sure we got it for $8.99. Yeah, and this is purple and white. It has this flowery, mixed with black, light blue, purple, and a mixture of white as well. And when you set it, it looks like this. It's really nice. So moving on, the next thing I got is another king size. This is a flowery color, and it has white and blue and lemon, mixed together. The color is really nice. So this is how it looks. So yeah, so the last, let's see, this is it. So the next thing I got is this James Oliver 7 board.
Just like another season.
All I got, this is a quick one. I thought I should just show you guys. So yeah, so that brings us to the end of this video. Yeah, I got it from Aldi. I think they should be almost everywhere or something, but this one is in UK, and I ordered them online actually. Yeah, they have online shop. You don't need to go in there and just buy, so you can actually order from Aldi. Like, you can order online, like sit in your house, like make orders, and before you know it, you have your stuff in your house. Yeah, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope this video is useful. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give me a huge thumbs up and share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.